This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting your tools ready. Clean the lens, enable flashlight, and open the Barcode or Marketplace app. Line up the barcode in the camera frame, steady your hand and hold about 6-12 inches away. Make sure the code fills most of the view but stays entirely visible. If the app asks for camera permission, grant it now so scanning proceeds smoothly. Once done, wait for the autofocus beep or confirmation so you know the image captured correctly. Next, focus and capture. Center the barcode and reduce glare by tilting the box or using diffused light because reflections break decoding. Tap the screen to lock focus or switch to manual mode if the app keeps hunting. After a successful scan, read the displayed digits and compare them to the printed SKU on the box to avoid lookup errors. If they match, tap the lookup or search button. If not, reframe and rescan until the displayed code equals the printed code. Finally, use the scan code to look up product details in the app or paste the number into a retailer's search. Confirm model, size, and color against the shoe to verify authenticity. If the lookup fails, try a different scanner app or enter the digits manually. Sometimes formatting differences matter. One key troubleshooting tip: if scans fail repeatedly, clean the barcode area and use brighter, indirect light, or photograph and enlarge the code on another device to capture damaged or tiny prints.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.